Hello friends and dear life science students. Today we are going to study classification of viruses. I am Dr. Suhas Kundli Kamble, working as an assistant professor at Rayat Shikshan Samsthas, Dahiwadi College, Dahiwadi. The classification of viruses by American biologist David Baltimore in the 1970s is the most commonly used for studying the system of virus classification. According to him, viruses are classified on the basis of nature of their genome and the relationship between the genome and the viral mRNA. For that determination, he was awarded by Nobel Prize. With the help of this flowchart, we can understand the criteria for the classification of viruses. These 5 criteria generally used for the classification of viruses. First one is morphology, second one is genetic material, third one is host range, fourth one is mode of transmission, and fifth one is replication properties. Let us study the classification of viruses based on morphology. The first type of viruses based on morphological structure is helical. This is an example of helical type of virus, tobacco mosaic virus, that is TMP. This type of virus has a capsid with a central cavity or hollow tube that is made up of proteins arranged in a circular manner, creating a disc-like shape. In this image, we can easily observe a protein coat termed as capsid made up of these protein subunits, which are called as capsomeres, arranged in a circular manner and forms a central cavity and creating a space for arrangement of their genetic material, that is RNA. The disc shapes are attached helically, creating tube with space for the nucleic acid in the middle. Here is the space for the nucleic acid. All filamentous viruses are helical in shape. They are usually 15 to 19 nm wide and range in length from 300 to 500 nm depending on the genome size. Second type of virus based on morphology is an icosahedral. This is example of icosahedral type of virus, that is poliovirus. These viruses are spherical in shape, but closer look reveals that they are icosahedral. In this image, we can easily observe that this virus looking like a spherical structure, but closer look reveals that it is made up of icosahedral. It is made up of equilateral triangles fused together in a spherical shape. So these are equilateral triangles which combine together to form a spherical structure. Apparently it looking like sphere, but it is made up of equilateral triangular faces. The genetic material is fully enclosed inside the capsid. Here we can see this is RNA, a genetic material enclosed inside this capsid. Viruses with icosahedral structures are released into the environment when the cell dies, breaks down and lyses, thus releasing the virion. That is, these icosahedral structures are released into the environment after infection to the host cells. Other examples are rhinovirus and adenovirus. Third type of virus based on morphological structure is a complex type of virus. This is example of complex type of virus, that is bacteriophage T4. These viruses have a combination of helical and icosahedral shape and showing head-tail morphology. So in this image we can see this is icosahedral structure and this is helical structure. By the combination of both these structures, this virus is formed. The head-tail morphology is unique to viruses that only infect bacteria and are known as bacteriophages. So such type of viruses with head-tail morphology are known for their infection to bacterial cells. The head of virus has an icosahedral shape with a helical shaped tail. We can easily see these structures which consist of icosahedral capsid, and there is a genetic material, that is DNA, inside it attached to tail made up of proteins. It also shows presence of tail fibers and spikes. The bacteriophage uses its tail to attach the bacterium and creates a hole in the cell wall and then inserts its DNA into the cell. In previous video, we have seen how bacteriophage infects the bacterial cell in detail. Another example is variola virus, which causes smallpox. So friends, in this way, in present video, we have studied the three types of viruses based on their morphology. First one helical, second one icosahedral, and third one complex type of virus. In next video, we will see classification of viruses based on their genetic material. These are some references which I have used for this presentation. Thank you for carefully listening to me. Thank you very much.